All right, YouTube. It's jwsolarusa. We're back here, and just a continuation of my video series on the battery post we fixed, folks. As you guys seen here, if I can bring you around, you can see this battery was 13.34 volt was marked or stamped on it from the last time these batteries were tested. So folks, this is the problem here. So what I encountered tonight after fixing the battery terminal battery post, I decided to connect all the batteries that were sitting for quite a long time, and seems to work. But what happened is I noticed something after getting all the batteries connected in series, in parallel, and get the batteries connected and get started charging. So I got the charger hooked up into the batteries at 18:30 hours on December 30th, 2018. So these are Schumacher batteries, and guys can feel what I experienced. Let me bring you close so that you can see the specs of this battery. You'd even see early on today, but you've seen it on my previous videos. I hope this one will help and see. Well, it's a 12 volt, 22 amp hours, 20 hours rated, and this is not the one that has the battery post problem I fixed. So what happened here, these batteries are on charge. They started charging. The charging method started, but we encounter, I'm not seeing the batteries going on charge, on full charge. The charger was still going for a long time. So it's always good for you to check on your batteries, since the charger is not charging through MPPT charge controller or solar charge controller, because it would have like a temperature sensor to monitor the batteries as well. But it seems like this battery is bad, something wrong with it. So now today we're gonna use our temperature sensor. Here is the, I hope you can see it, the model number, and it came from this box here, FLANK infrared thermometer, the F380. So this battery, as I seen, this battery is overheating and is really hot. So let's check this out and see what's the temperature on the infrared. How much is it? So this battery is currently reading at 118.6 volt Fahrenheit. So for you guys overseas, let me change the volt. The temperature here is reading at 48 degrees Celsius. This is how hot this battery is. At the top, it's reading at 38, 39 at the post. And let me check on the side of the battery. Side of the right is here 42 degrees Celsius. And let's go back to Fahrenheit here. It's reading at 107. And this is the only hot. I already got it sat down, sitting for a while, and I think the temperature has already fallen a little bit. It's reading at 108, 111, 119, 120. So this battery probably is not good. There's something that might happen to one of the cells there, or who knows, maybe it's dry. One of the cells in there is not working right. But the temperature is high, because the temperature for batteries like to be at 76, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and this battery is reading at 118, 100 and almost 20. So what I have to do here, we're gonna check the voltage on the battery and see what's how much voltage this battery has. Let's check the bottom first and see, because even when I put it on the carpet on the floor, when I lift the thing, it was really hot. When I step on it, it's really warm. So I'm concerned, and I have to take it offline from the system. And now we already set the voltmeter right here and see exactly what we're dealing with here. So I'm gonna set the voltmeter right there. I hope you can see it. And let's see what's the voltage on that battery right now. As we are reading, the battery is reading at a 12.83. Seems like the voltage is there, but this battery is preventing the other batteries to go at the 14.4 volt DC. That's supposed to make the battery really full charge. Instead, the battery is overheating for some reason. I don't know why, but maybe this will be our next video. We're gonna dissect this battery, open up the terminal, this part up here, and there are holes here. Maybe I can able to open that and pour some distilled water to check what this battery is up to. Maybe the cells are dry, if we can able to recover it. It's no means I don't want to let go of the battery. I do, but the thing is, any battery that's gonna cause any problem for me, I don't want it to be part of the family, because it will cause danger, it will cause some life threatening, and I don't want that to happen. Because of this battery is going to go offline at the moment. It's kind of cooling down now. You can see the infrared, and we're going to open it up. We're going to make a video on this and see what we're going to do with this battery, and see what else we find out about this battery. This is all about science, what you can find out, or what causes, or what's the issue. Now you know. Next time I'm gonna make a video and you learn from this video, I'm gonna say, oh yeah, JW Solar mentioned that before, I made a video about it, and we're gonna open up this battery and see exactly what it is, what's the problem. I'm gonna take you to the charger and see if the batteries are all charged. As soon as I took this one offline, and all of a sudden the charger goes to a full charge mode. It comes only once in a while to trickle charge the battery. As you have seen right here, this is the charger where I set it, and there's a green light right now indicating that it's charged. So let's just keep watching here for a short time, and you can hear the charger is gonna kick in again and do its thing, because it's trying to maintain the batteries at a certain voltage. Like I mentioned earlier, as soon as it dropped to 0.01 volt, which is a millivolt, and the charger will kick in, the yellow lights will come on, and it started charging the battery, go back to the green light. So that means why we were running so long today to get his batteries charged is just because of that one charger. There we go. Kicks in again with the yellow light. See that? So about 5-10 seconds is gonna go back to green. So it's just maintaining. That's how it is when you have flood lead acid, SLA, seal lead acid, or flood lead acid. There you go. It stopped again. It tends to maintain the voltage, because they have the tendency to drop in voltage after a while. So let's wrap up our video. We found the sickness, we found the disease or the virus into the system, and she's gonna go out from the battery banks. So these ones are all cool and nice, no problem and the batteries, 7 of them is now on the charger, and that one is bye-bye. But we're gonna make another video about it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. From the command center, this is jwsolarusa in Minnesota. That's the bad boy right there. Bad boy. So we don't want no trouble. We don't want hot trouble to follow us. And this is how we're gonna end the battery system or the battery test. And good, we found out this one. It's always good to pay attention to your batteries because they talk to you. And that's how it is. Thank you for watching. Love you guys all. Happy New Year. Bye.